Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Francesca, if you didn't already know. And today we're gonna go to the park and watch some fireworks. It's the 5th of July, but they're having fireworks today, and they have rides. So we're gonna go watch fireworks and go on rides and have fun. If you didn't already, go subscribe, like, and comment. Turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified when I post another video. And so we're like on the kiddie ride. I'm kind of scared. And it's my friend Leah. And it's my friend. This is so scary. I'm about to die. Leah. Stop doing that. Say it again. Hey guys, welcome to our vlog. Emerson. Right, like Emerson. They shut down the rest of the ride because it's getting late. Yeah, it's late. So we only got to go on one. Right. This is not your vlog. Period. It's out. Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. Yeah. Alright, so like right now we're just walking back to our mom because
These rides are getting closed down.
yeah, all of them. We only got to go on one, and that was the one that I recorded.
So I feel like
I think it's really dumb.
I don't
But
care.
you just said tell you.
Okay, but I don't want to know anymore.
Always arguing.
Yeah, Alice is such a
You left the glue stick in the tree. Oh my gosh.
Adding on Snapchat.
No. Trying to get her shout out. Cloud chaser.
Every
Cloud
day.
chaser.
No, friend, you're a cloud chaser.
You're a cloud chaser. Alright, so you can't even see me.
Okay, Tabe. Just be quiet.
But they told us to go. They told us to go around into the street, back around to the park. But we could have gone over the bridge, and they won't let us over the bridge
Because they think that we're gonna get
because
shot
they
with the
think
fireworks.
we're gonna get shot with the fireworks. So we have to go all the way around to
They think
the.
we're gonna burn on fire.
Yeah, we have to go all the way around to the street. So the fireworks are out, and we're still walking in the street, and we're like all super scared. There's only 3 of us. You can't even see the fireworks. It's like we're missing out on it.
Hurry, run. I said we
I'm not. All right, let's run. Oh, look at him!
We're about to catch on fire.
No. This is a good view.
Come on, we have to hurry.
But I don't want to move because this is a good view. Made it home, and our legs hurt, our feet hurt. Tave's phone is dead. The fireworks were good. The police officers wouldn't let us around anywhere, but we made it. So I'm gonna close out this vlog and say peace.